But let me go one step further. What is the difference between contestability and competitiveness? I'll be the first to admit they overlap a lot. Competition is a function of barriers to entry. Contestability is a function of ETC. So some of you might be wondering, what's ETC? Now, ETC refers to the entry exit cost. T refers to the technology, whether it's easy to access the technology to produce this good. Okay, C refers to consumer loyalty, which means the market is contestable if entry and or exit costs they are low. If technology access is high, that means it's very easy to come in. Or if consumer loyalty is low. Okay, that makes your market contestable. You know what? This, they're all part of barriers to entry. If you go through the list of barriers to entry, you have things like brand loyalty, technology access or knowledge, entry costs, setup costs. So the only thing that stands out is exit cost, which means if the entry cost is high, the market cannot be competitive. But the market can still be contestable. Contestability means you're not talking about actual competition, you're just talking about the threat of competition. Alright, so if your entry cost is high, it's not competitive, it can still be contestable if the exit cost is low. And if you're wondering what's the difference between entry and exit cost, if it costs you $1 million to enter, to set up business, like if you decide to be a second-hand car dealer, you probably need about $1 million to have at least a modest fleet of 10 cars to sell, right? Okay? But the day you decide, I'm not having fun in this business, I want to leave, if you can sell off the 10 cars and recoup about 800,000, exit cost is quite low. So this is entry cost. If you can sell off your fixed investments to recoup your original investment, then your exit cost may be low. Right, like I said, you paid $1 million if you leave and you can sell off the cars and get back about 80%, then the cost of exit is actually quite low. So because of that, it could be a contestable market. Some school notes even say, oh, sometimes firms will come in with a hit and run strategy. Okay, they come in, they operate for a while, they siphon off some of your profits and then they leave. Hit and run. Okay, so you can check your notes whether they consider hit and run strategy under contestability. So the main difference is really your exit cost. Clearly, exit cost is not under barriers to entry. Barriers to entry looks at entry, not exit. Okay, so that's the difference. Any questions? If there are no questions, I said the ability to break down the dartboard shows the strength of your content. Okay, so I think if you can break it down into these parts, not bad. Okay, but I will show you how a student who is probably even more prepared can come up with another 2 or 3 points.